Well, hello there, Jigsaw. Do you want to play a game?
You know I do, Slappy. But if you use my catchphrase again, I'll kill you.
Both of us are masters in our differing realities, but while there's no fatalities, I've got the personality. All you do is pedal in and read a line of monotone. Is anybody really home? Come clean like you're on methadone. The fact is you're a dull imposter, have me fooled, so here's an Oscar. Faking it is out of order, wouldn't let you join the monster. Screw you and your tape recorder, talk the talk but never slaughter. I can write cause I'm an author while you're sat describing torture. Wearing suits will make us equal, I have fun but you're just evil. After one the plot was people, getting bored with all the sequels. Strung it out your own tonight, I got a third from Stein, but now I've made it big this time. You want a bitch, you join the line. I just think you're too dramatic, serious and overgraphic. I'll admit I'm psychopathic, but I'm fun and full of magic. All the dolls think you're a traitor, not possessed or just a fake. You know I'm not a legislator, but you could call me a hater. We're the smartest dolls, yeah, always dressed in fancy suits. Yeah, when you can't fly, you were gonna launch ya with a burning book and tape recorder. You will scream. We're the smartest dolls, yeah, always dressed in fancy suits. Yeah, when you can't fly, you were gonna launch ya with a burning book and tape recorder. You will scream. How are you gonna respond to that then, little faker boy?
I hope you realize who you're speaking to, Slappy. This will not go unpunished. Sorry, little dolly, but I'm out of your league. The things I've seen would make you lose your mind with battle fatigue. Remember, you're a doll inside a world that's PG-13, while I'm eviscerating body parts and making